The Program of Advancement through Health and Education, PATH, is empowering the nation's youth and developing our human capital. This is being achieved through the delivery of cash benefits to support the education of children and a comprehensive suite of supporting interventions that target poor and vulnerable households. PATH is succeeding in breaking the intergenerational poverty cycle as it currently assists 370,000 registered beneficiaries, with nearly 70% of them being children.
PATH has helped to produce some of the brightest young minds in our country, one of whom is none other than the 2018-2019 Rhodes Scholar, Mr. Shavana Baker.
Baker is just one of the many PATH beneficiaries whose academic excellence have been recognized in its Top Achievers Awards since 2005.
This year, we have introduced a new award called the PATH Trailblazer Award, and that award will be presented to Shavana Baker. But I must tell you, we started this award because Shavana inspired us. That we have our students who have gone on after university to excel. And so we must recognize those students who continue to excel and continue to contribute in society.
Young Baker accepted the Pioneering Award with much glee and introspection, knowing his story could inspire many others on the path to success.
PATH, provides lunch, provides you with some little support to go to school. And being the person that I am, I would use that money to ensure that I go to school, take the lunches, ensure that I get something out of it. What is important in the whole background is the support of parents. My mother, my father, even though they didn't have much, they ensure that education is a must. After I left Manchester, I went to UA. I did actuarial science on an open scholarship, the most prestigious in the Caribbean for an undergraduate student. Then I finished the actuarial science degree with first class honors. Then I applied for a scholarship, Jamaica National Foundation Legacy Scholarship, to study for a master's in financial economics that I got at the University of Birmingham in the United Kingdom. After that, came back to Jamaica last December 2017. Applied for work. I started working at Financial Services Commission. Then I moved to the Bank of Jamaica as a financial economist.
In its sixth staging, the PATH Top Achievers Awards recognize the continued excellence of its beneficiaries in various awards categories. At the primary school level, the PATH Top Scholar Boy and Girl were selected on the basis of their overall averages and national rankings for the Grade 6 Achievement Test. Three cash awards were granted in the CSEC category, where applicants with the highest number of Grade 1 passes were awarded Top Scholar. 9 cash awards were presented to top achievers and their runners-up, selected on the basis of their academic prowess and leadership capabilities demonstrated by co-curricular or community involvement. The 2019 staging of the PATH Top Achievers Awards also recognized and rewarded outstanding student attendance at the secondary level. 10 scholarships were presented to students who completed grade 11 without being absent for more than 20 days over 5 years. Cash awards were also given to secondary schools where the annual average of student attendance improved significantly in keeping with established PATH criteria. The awards also recognize the contribution of stakeholders in the health and education sectors whose service delivery to beneficiaries support the PATH objectives. Another new element introduced this year was a recognition and rewards program for parish office teams that continue to uphold the highest standards of service delivery to beneficiaries and the wider community.
This is one of the programs that we are most proud of because we think it most directly reflects the core vision and values and objectives of our institution.
Our Vision 2030 development plans are strongly dependent on the investment we make in our children through health and education. And in this sense, these awardees for 2016, 2017, and 2018 are truly an example to all of us.